Well guys, a little different video here for you now. This one here is going to be about this antenna switch plus combiner circuit that I came up with to run two antennas to one receiver. Or I could combine both antennas at the same time and run it to the receiver. So basically, this one's antenna 1, antenna 2, and combine. So these are just push-in switches, ordinary push-in switches. And this is looking at the top, at the pins on the switches. And each one of these marks is actually wiring, obviously, for each individual switch. This is how you would wire it up. And so you push this one in if you want to use antenna 1. If you want to use antenna 2, you deselect this one and push in this one. And if you want to combine both antennas, you deselect this one and push in this switch. And I've been using this circuit now for a couple of weeks now, and I have to say it's actually working pretty good. I even built a little tuner kind of thing into it as well. But here is the actual contraption right here. So this is the switches. So I want to go switch 1, push it in, switch 2, click that one in, or I want to combine both of them, I push that one in. The knob here, these two knobs, that's just built-in antenna tuner that I got made. Just add it to it just for the heck of it. But I've been running this off the I have a 50 foot, 75 foot long wire out there, as well as a 100 foot infed dipole as well out there, and have those running in, and they connect to the back of the radio, or back to the switch, which is nothing fancy there going on, but it works very well actually. So we'll just pull this thing apart and have a quick peek at this switch box. And this is the actual switch box itself. All the connections again is made on this side. So as you can see, these are all wired exactly the same as what's on this diagram right here. Only thing extra I got is a 3-position inductor switch I have added, and a little tuning capacitor. Nothing fancy. Just went ahead kicking around, threw it in there. But there we have it. Nothing fancy, but it does the trick. Even got a neon bulb in there. You never know. Might get a bit of static one of these days, and that might actually light. We'll have to see. It just goes from the antenna input to ground. So, but yeah. Just a little something I put together one night, so I can run two of my antennas on the Kenwood R5000, or if I wanted to, I can combine both antennas to run at the exact same time being fed to the R5000. So, what have you built out of your junk box today? Well, I built this. All the best, folks. and you can see this schematic on my website at radionet53.wixsite.com. I'll put a link in the description. Anyways, all the best, and good DXing to you all, especially you shortwave listeners out there. There is quite a bit on the HF bands at the moment, especially in the evenings. All kinds of strange, wonderful things have been heard, and by many people around the world, especially with the war between Russia and Ukraine. And that's as much as I'm going to get into that. But in any event, there's lots on HF to listen to at the moment, folks. So don't forget to turn them on. All the best in 73.